guys, and welcome back to my channel for another video. Today's video, this is how I really clean. Like I edited it, but I edited it like not a lot. So sometimes wandering around aimlessly is exactly how I clean. I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, so today's video is a regular old daily clean with me. This is what I do on a daily basis for the most part. And yeah, so if you are new, welcome to my channel. I hope that you consider subscribing. It would mean so much to me. And for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. And for those of you returning, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate you coming back. So lately I have been able to post 2 videos a week. Well, I only did it 1 week. That was last week. So this week I'm doing my best to post 2 videos a week. I hope that you guys are all enjoying all the cleaning motivation. If there is something specific that you would like me to film or you'd like to see, please let me know down in the comments. Also, let me know in the comments how you found my channel. That I would love to know. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago. Did you make it? Did you break free? Did you manage to be who you wanna be? Maybe somewhere you think about me too.
So I said earlier, this is how I really clean. Sometimes I do not get to the dishes in the sink that need to be washed by hand. I do not put my pots and pans in the dishwasher. I'll put like my older set in the dishwasher, but I will not put my newer set. This set has lasted me about 1.5 years. The blue set, it's the Pioneer Woman. I absolutely love these pots and pans, but they are getting worn down and I am in need of a new set soon. So also I wanted to explain to you that I do not get up and get fancy before I clean. I am not one of those YouTubers or one of those moms that needs to put on a pound of makeup and go clean my house. Like, no way, thank you. That is not going to make me want to clean. That's going to make me want to go out of the house. If I'm putting makeup on, it's because I have someplace important to go or whatever the case. But I do not wear makeup every day. I don't care to wear makeup every day, especially in summers in New Mexico. No, thank you. So, again, this is a real life cleaning channel. This is what I do every single day. These are my chores. This is what I have to do as a mom to make sure that my children have a clean environment in their home. My kids do have chores. Yes, on occasion they do the dishes and unload the dishwasher and vacuum. I do not always do this. However, I am doing this a good 90% of the time because I want my home to be clean. Okay. So, not gonna lie to you, when it gets really bad, I get really overwhelmed. I get very discouraged. I don't want to clean it, and it makes me irritated. So when I have a disaster kitchen like this, I'm gonna save it for the next day, and that's okay because I'm too overwhelmed. I can't process it right then and there. I have to be motivated to clean, and yeah, so let me know if you guys feel the same way. I am not a fan of cleaning my disaster house. Sometimes I clean and don't film it because it's just way too chaotic. So this summer's been kind of rough. Let me know how you guys are doing in the summer and, how you guys are keeping your house clean and all that kind of stuff.
I was kidding myself. Now I know you don't love me, even though you said that you'd never leave me. Oh, but I know now I shouldn't trust a word that comes out of your mouth. I was kidding myself. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Now you're gone, right away from me, leaving me on my own. Can't you see? You had my heart in your eyes. Why did you go? Why did you have to turn into a liar? Like this, don't know what happened to you. Put my trust in you, guess that I couldn't do that. Oh, but I know now I shouldn't trust a word that comes out of your mouth. I was kidding myself. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Now you're gone, ran away from me, leaving me on my own. Can't you see? You had my heart in your eyes. Why did you go? Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. You left me here all alone without saying goodbye. Tell me, 'cause I wanna know. Oh, just please tell me why. Why did you have to turn into a liar? You had my heart in your right. Why did you go? Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. Into a liar. Into a liar. I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want.
So what happened here is I went to go and dust this fireplace. This fireplace drives me crazy. It gets so dirty so quickly. Dust, like 20, like you could see dust flying in the air. It's probably dog hair. We've had a serious issue with my dog shedding. We don't really understand why. It must be because, change in season. But I went to go dust that with my little Swiffer duster, and dog hair kept falling on it. And I was like, what is going on? Like, there's more hair here, and I just wiped it. So then I went to go and get my little handheld vacuum, my Shark handheld, and it died. That's usually how I clean this fireplace, is I usually just vacuum it with my Shark. It works perfect. And then I had to go back to the Swiffer duster. So also I decided to move the books out of there. I was like, they don't look that great anymore. They're getting just, I don't even know what to put in this fireplace because it doesn't even matter if I decorate it or not. Someone's going to go play with the stuff. So I kind of just always leave it bare if you're ever wondering. Sometimes I'll put like a vase of flowers on top, some of my fake flowers, but I have not had the willingness or ability or need to go through my tubs and put some of that stuff out in my house for some reason. I just don't care to right now. So my main focus this year is, you know, what is it called? Oh my gosh, I'm drawing a blank. It's progress, not perfection. That's what it is. I am not trying to be perfect. I'm trying to maintain a clean home enough to where I feel that it's clean enough for me to, get on with my day. Like, I am not going to be perfect at everything. I might, miss something, or I might not dust that, or something's going on, but I am focusing on progress, not perfection.
I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Come as you are and leave as you please, as long as you're pleasing me, baby. Do what you want, you're not mine to keep, as long as call me back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down.
So now I'm moving into my room. Most of the time I have to kind of tackle my room after 6 p.m. Because my husband sleeps during the day and works overnight. And then by the time 6 p.m. hits, I'm like, no, I'm good. Not gonna lie, so it will become kind of a disaster in here most of the time because I can't get in here, and I'll have baskets of laundry I haven't folded, and yeah, so my upcoming project is that I really want to tackle my closet. I mean, it is full. Like, it's embarrassing, to be honest with you. I can't even walk in it because it's gotten so bad again. So I will be going through that, and I do also want to rearrange my bedroom soon, so I'll be doing that as well coming up in one of my videos.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You came right out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end you.
So we are coming to the end of today's video. I do hope that you enjoyed all the cleaning motivation and was able to get up and clean with me or just listen to the music. So again, I want to say thank you so much for coming back. And again, for those of you who are new, I do hope you consider subscribing to my channel. It would help me out so much. And don't forget to hit the like button if you liked my video, the notification bell so you don't miss any time that I upload. And yeah, so I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.
We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.